Bishop Gorman basketball star Zaon Collins has been released from jail after his felony conviction. Under a plea deal, Collins was sentenced to 90 days and 3 years of probation following a deadly car crash in the southwest part of our valley. As Joe Moeller reports, he is now enrolled in school in Utah.
Custody, Your Honor.
After serving less than 2 months in jail, Zaon Collins is gearing up for the next chapter of his life. Collins pled guilty to a fatal 2020 car crash that killed 52-year-old Eric Echevarria, who was leaving his Southwest Valley neighborhood. After pleading guilty to manslaughter and reckless driving, Collins was sentenced to 90 days in jail and 3 years of probation. August 15th, he wrapped up that sentence.
I mean, my heart breaks.
I spoke to Sandy Heverly from Stop DUI about the sentence many think was not tough enough.
It's devastating, and you can only imagine the heartache and frustration that the victims' families are going through.
At the time of the crash, prosecutors said Collins had enough THC in his system to be considered impaired, but a Clark County grand jury declined to indict Collins on a DUI charge.
If in fact he had been found guilty, he could have received a maximum term of 8 to 20 years.
During sentencing, 8th District Court Judge Clark Newberry assigned conditions for Collins' release. She told Collins he could not use or possess any alcohol, illegal or controlled substances other than prescribed medication approved by probation supervisors. He also must work full-time or attend school. The athletic director for Salt Lake City Community College in Utah confirmed that he is enrolled in school there. The school's website lists Collins as a redshirt freshman on their basketball team.
The legal system played out.
Carlos Morales is the founding attorney for Morales Injury Law. He weighed in on what some argue is too short of a sentence.
I don't like what happened. I don't like the outcome. From the legal side, I understand, and I think everyone out there needs to understand that the prosecution presented the evidence that they had that was most favorable to a conviction to a grand jury, and the grand jury decided not to indict Mr. Collins.
He says Collins received the maximum sentence under the plea agreement. I'm Joe Moeller reporting.